IFTTT is ending support for Wemo devices. What Wemo owners need to know. IFTTT will drop all Wemo services on February 1st, 2026, after Belkin ends support for older Wemo devices on January 31st, 2026. This will cut cloud connectivity, disrupt integrations like voice assistants and remote control, and force users to adjust their smart home setups. What's actually happening to Wemo and IFTTT? After Belkin ends cloud support, Wemo devices will lose cloud-based automations. Consequently, IFTTT will remove all Wemo services on February 1st, 2026, stopping existing applets, blocking new ones, and removing Wemo from the platform entirely. Wemo devices losing IFTTT compatibility. Belkin support shutdown will remove these Wemo devices from IFTTT, Smart Plug, Light Switch, Insight Switch, Lighting, Motion, Dimmer, Maker, Coffeemaker, Humidifier, Air Purifier, Outdoor Plug, and Slow Cooker. Any automations using these products will stop working after February 1st, 2026. What Belkin says will stop working. After January 31st, 2026, many older Wemo devices will lose app control and cloud-based features, including remote access, schedules, routines, voice assistants, and third-party integrations like IFTTT. Some newer models are unaffected, so users should check Belkin's official list to confirm their device status. How to counter this change without starting over. Losing IFTTT won't kill your smart home, but it does require understanding which devices and platforms you still support. Tools like GearBrain Assistant can help manage and track compatibility. How GearBrain Assistant helps Wemo owners. GearBrain Assistant supports the Wemo phase-out by identifying affected devices, detecting broken automations, recommending compatible alternatives and replacements, and mapping new routines across major platforms.
Go to GearBrain for more information.